Hello everyone. In today's class we will discuss one of the topic from quality management subject, and in this class we are going to solve one question from RTU 2016 paper, and this is numerical type question, and this question is one of the type of binomial distribution. So the given question is like that: a process is known to produce 5% non-conforming items, that is defective items are 5%. A sample of 40 items is selected from the process. Determine the distribution of the non-conforming items in the sample. Also find the probability of obtaining no more than 3 non-conforming items in the sample. So now the solution: let the x is equal to number of non-conforming items produced in the process and p is equal to probability of non-conforming items produced in a process, and p is given here 5%, and n is equal to sample size, it is given 40 items. And now here two parameters, that is n and p, are given, and we know that the binomial distribution is the distribution using the two parameters n and p. So x follows the binomial distribution with parameter n is equal to 40 and p is equal to 0.05. And if the values of this parameter, that is n and p, are known, all information associated with the binomial distribution can be determined. So next we have to find the probability of obtaining no more than 3 non-conforming or defective items in the sample. So we know that this is the formula for probability for binomial distribution, that is px is equal to n combination x, this term we called n combination x, multiply by the p to the power x multiply 1 minus p to the power n minus x. Here x is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n, and we know that n is equal to 40 and x is equal to, we are going to put the value of x. Now we know that no more than 3 means the probability is of x is less than equal to 3. X is less than equal to 3 is equal to p x is equal to 1 means probability of getting 0 defect plus probability of getting 1 defect plus probability of getting 2 defect plus probability of getting 3 defects. So now we put the values of x and p in the given formula for x barabar 0, x barabar 1 and x barabar 2 and x barabar 3. So we get this term finally. Here the sample calculation of the first term, I'm going to show here this one. This is the calculator screenshot. So this 40C0 multiply p to the power x, that is p is 0.05 to the power 0, multiply 1 minus p, that is 0.95 to the power n minus x, that is 40 minus 0, that is 40. So we get this value up to 4.4 digit 0.1285. Here we take 0.1285. Similarly we get the next three value also, 0.2705 plus 0.2777 plus 0.1851. So the total probability is equal to 0.8618. So our final answer is the probability of getting no more than 3 defective items in a sample is equal to 86.18% or 0.8618.